what really happened in sedimentary rocks, we all know that this type of rocks are mostly found on the surface of the earth. Okay, so the rocks are in contact with wind, water, running water, or even the glaciers also. They are in contact with this wind. Sometime wind, you know that it is a fast blowing air. It may blow very fast, that wind. So wind used to carry those particular small rocks and carry it from one place to another place. Suppose there was an example in the video also, that if you will drop a particular small stone in the glass of water, that what will happen, it will settle down at the bottom. So sedimentary rocks are formed from those settling materials, the materials which have been settled down deep inside the water, oceans or rivers, or whatever place. Even the running water used to carry those small bits of rocks from one place to another place. So rocks, what they used to do, they roll down, they crack on the way, है ना, वो जब roll down होते हैं, crack हो जाते हैं, and they hit each other, and they are broken down into small fragments, और वो छोटे छोटे fragments में change हो जाते हैं. Because of what? Because of this wind or running water, ये सब की वजह से ये क्या हो जाते हैं, they used to crack, they used to roll down. So these are the things that goes with this type of sedimentary rocks. और आगे देखते हैं, let us see, move ahead. Temperature changes also wear down the rocks. Temperature के change होने से क्या होता है, also the rocks which are present on the surface of the earth, they used to wear down. Wear down मतलब वो उसमें दरार आ जाती है. Like earth, when earthquake happens, when it comes earthquakes, then your buildings or the houses or the wall of your room used to have a crack, है ना, because of the earthquake. So like that, temperature also present, or temperature also bring that cracks in the rocks also. That is known as wear down on the rocks. It breaks them also. Temperature is to break them also into smaller pieces or particles. That is known as sediments, my dear student. Known as sediments. Let me show you the photograph of these sediments. Rocks कैसे छोटे छोटे टुकड़े में change हो जाता है. Let me show you with the help of one photograph. That is sediments. You can see over here. These are known as sediments. ये छोटे छोटे जो टुकड़े हैं, these are known as the sediments, my dear students. Now let's come back to our topic. That temperature also change the rock and break it down into smaller pieces. Now these fragments, these small fragments of rock particles are carried away. अब ये जब छोटे छोटे टुकड़े में change हो जाते हैं, they used to carry away with the help of wind or the river or the glaciers. और वो carry होके कहाँ पर deposit हो जाते हैं? They are deposited in lakes, seabeds, and seabeds means beneath the sea, and the ocean floors, और ocean के floor में नीचे में जाके वो क्या हो जाते हैं? Deposit हो जाते हैं. This type of fragments, जो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े जो बन जाते हैं, sediments हो जाते हैं. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened. क्या होता है, ये सुकड़ना शुरू हो जाते हैं, सुकड़ जाते हैं, कंप्रेस हो जाते हैं, and hardened, और धीरे धीरे वो हार्ड होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. But it takes thousands of years. ये एक दो दिन में नहीं होता. It takes thousands of years for these things to these particular fragments of rocks, है ना, जो छोटे छोटे रॉक्स से वो बड़े रॉक्स हो जाते हैं और वो कंप्रेस हो जाते हैं. It takes thousands of years. Even many animals, है ना, in the water also they die, मर जाते हैं, and their bodies used to change into sedimentary rocks in thousands of years. Their bodies are mixed with the soil, with the clay, or even in the forest also you will find this type of sedimentary rock, because in the forest also in many places the animals used to die and they used to mix with the soil. Their bodies are their dead bodies used to mix with the soil, and then those soil, after getting compression, after getting compressed, and they used to become hard and hardest, and then it changed into rocks. तो ये इतना जल्दी नहीं होता. It takes a lot of time. These rocks found in this manner, the rocks formed in this manner are known as sedimentary rocks. Now let me show you. Sedimentary rocks also contain fossils. अब sedimentary rocks में fossils होते हैं. अब ये fossils क्या है? Let me show you with the help of the link available there. Let me show you about fossils. Yeah, you can read out. आप पढ़ सकते हैं. Fossils क्या होता है? Fossils are the remains of the dead plants and the animals, है ना. Dead plants भी जब dead हो जाते हैं, they used to fall down on the ground, and then there's the branches, the leaves which have dead are mixed with the soil, है ना, and then in thousands of years or hundreds of years it changed into layers of rocks. So these dead bodies of plants and animals which change into rock, they are known as fossils, है ना. They are known as fossils which used to mix up with the soil. These are known as fossils. So not only plants, animals, और बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, बैक्टीरिया भी होते हैं जो मरने के बाद क्या हो जाते हैं, सॉइल के साथ मिक्स हो जाते हैं. दिस मिक्सचर इज नोन एज fossils. What do you call this mixture? This mixture is known as fossils, my dear students. Let us move ahead. अच्छा, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स का एक इमेज भी देख लेते हैं. यू कैन सी सेडिमेंट्री रॉक से इस टाइप का रॉक होता है सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स, है ना. दिस फोटोग्राफ इज आल्सो अवेलेबल इन योर बुक आल्सो. ये सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स है, ये धीरे धीरे करके थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इयर्स में बनता है, एक दिन में नहीं होता. नाउ लेट अस कंटिन्यू टू आवर सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. व्हेन द सेडिमेंट्स आर डिपॉजिटेड, एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स एंड माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स गेट ट्रैप्ड विद इन द लेयर्स. क्या हो जाता है, सेडिमेंट्स जब डिपॉजिट होते हैं तो उसके साथ साथ एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बहुत छोटे छोटे ऑर्गेनिजम्स सारे जो है फंस जाते हैं. आप कह सकते हैं दे आर ट्रैप्ड इन द लेयर्स and these are known as fossils. They are preserved as fossils. This is a unique characteristic of sedimentary rock and is very useful in the study of the past. और ये sedimentary rocks, क्योंकि we have studied in the previous chapter also about that. In the first chapter of history, you might have learned in your grade 6 first chapter of history that how do we come to know that a particular thing is, how much old is that particular thing. So that sedimentary rock also help us to know about the past also, कि पिछले पहले जमाने में कितने कितने एनिमल्स मिले हुए हैं. वी कैन कम टू नो विद द हेल्प ऑफ कार्बन डेटिंग मेथड. You can see one of the, that is the photograph of the metamorphic rocks. So I don't know, animals which are trapped within the sediments, they change into coal and petroleum. देखो, dead plants और dead animals के वजह से we get the coals also. Coal, है ना, that many of the villages, the people of the villages are using, है ना, coal as a fuel also. So this coal has come from what? That is the the bodies of the dead plants and animals that have been trapped and mixed in the soil with many organisms, microorganisms over thousands of years, and then it becomes or change into coal. That is, coal is a sedimentary rock. Even we get petroleum over long geological periods. So these are known as fossil fuels, because coal is the mixture of dead plants of bodies of the dead plants and animals. So that is known as fuel. We also know that that is known as fossil, the mixture of dead, the bodies of the dead plants and animals. And if you are using those fossil as fuel to burn and cook food, then it's known as fossil fuels. Few examples are of sedimentary rocks are sandstone made of grains of sand, as well as shale are examples of mechanically formed sedimentary rocks. Sometimes you will see in the river or in the oceans that due to the hot, due to the warm, due to the rays of the sun, the water of the oceans or the rivers, they used to evaporate. And when it goes up evaporate, it carries with them, that salt which are also mixed in the water of the ocean. So when the water will be evaporated, the remainings, many of the remains such as the source, those salt and other mixture which remains in the ocean, after getting evaporated, the water gets evaporated, and whatever the remaining is left out, those particular materials transform into rocks after thousands of years, or 500 or 600 years. They also used to change into rocks. So these type of rocks which are formed with the help of evaporation of the seas, in the seas, they are known as mechanically formed sedimentary rocks also. And the rocks which are formed due to the dead plants and animals, they are known as organic and organically formed sedimentary rocks. क्या एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास में? लाइमस्टोन में भी केमिकली फॉर्म बाय सेटलिंग डाउन ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट इज आल्सो अनदर नेम ऑफ सॉल्ट. तो सॉल्ट को चेंज होके क्या बन जाता है? वो लाइमस्टोन. दैट इज आल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ स्टोन, दैट इज रॉक, सेडिमेंटरी रॉक. And limestone can be also formed from the organic deposit. Organic means what? The dead plants, the dead animals, and the animals and the plants which have died over there, and their bodies are mixed. So it also form limestone over there. Sedimentary rocks contain various valuable minerals also. बहुत सारे उसके पास minerals भी होते हैं sedimentary rocks में, such as iron ore, manganese, bauxite. These are the examples of the minerals which are available in sedimentary rocks. Rocks के अंदर होते हैं ये सारी चीजें. Sandstone, limestone का यूज क्या है? They are used in building materials. They provide us with fossils, और हम लोग कभी कभी उसको इंडस्ट्रीज में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं as materials. Sandstones को और limestone को बहुत सारे other products बनाने के लिए in industries we also use these things. So let us move to our next topic, that is metamorphic rock. But before moving to the topic, hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care, stay at home.